Good morning everyone, now I'm staying in the train after 14 hours of sleeper train. Outside is the Mongolian view. I reached the capital of Mongolia. It's around there, I think it's around there. Let's check out. After 14 hours and 50 minutes, I've reached Ulaanbaatar. Oh, yes! Capital of Mongolia. Whoa! Quite cold. Chilling. Along the way you can see beautiful scenery. You can see a big large green grass that is quite cool. Really cool. Once you get down from the train, people are walking to this place and they walk across. I think there's no bridge to walk across. So this is the only way. Let's go. My friends, I'm now having Mongolian food. So this one is grape juice. They call this as grape juice. It's like longan juice in Malaysia. So my food. This is tuiwang. It's a lot, this portion. You see my hand? Look at this, my friends. It's crazy. So I asked her to have this for me because I want to pack this thing back. This portion is big. Let's try this. This one is fried meat with beef. For me it's a bit salty. But it's quite good. The flavour is very strong. I really enjoy this. See you in a bit. So during August, it's very chilling in Mongolia. City area of Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar.